Hi, it's me again, Tim. And today, I cooked dinner for Anna. Yes, me, in the kitchen, with fire. Scary, right? But before we talk about food, let's talk about cleaning. Because, my apartment, it was not ready. Not even close. Let me explain. Anna said,
Let's do something different this week. You cooked anything good lately?
"No, but I can try." She smiled and said,
Great. I'll come to your place Saturday night.
and then my brain exploded. Because I looked around my apartment and saw 3 socks on the floor, 2 empty pizza boxes, 1 mysterious sandwich. I don't know when I made it. So, yeah, emergency cleaning mode on. I made a list. Throw out mystery sandwich, hide dirty clothes under the bed, wipe everything, twice, light a candle, make it smell like not Tim. And it worked. Kind of. At least now it looked like a human lived there. A clean one. Okay, cleaning done. Now, the big part. Dinner. I went to the store. I bought pasta, easy, tomatoes, fresh, garlic, smelly but good, cheese, lots of cheese. I watched a video, how to cook like a professional chef. It was 30 minutes long. I watched 2 minutes and said, I got this. I did not got this. In the kitchen, I tried to chop garlic. It flew across the room. The tomato sauce was too salty. The smoke alarm beeped once, just once. That's not so bad, right? But then I added cheese, a lot of cheese, and it started to look okay, smell okay, maybe even taste okay. Then, ding dong, the doorbell. Anna. I opened the door. She looked amazing. I looked like a tired chef. She smiled.
Well, smells like garlic and panic.
I laughed. Come in. Welcome to my very clean home. She looked around.
You cleaned or hid everything very well?
Maybe both. We sat at the small table. I served the pasta. She took a bite. And then she smiled.
This is really good, Tim.
Really?
Yes, cheesy, but good.
Like me, I said. She laughed. We ate, we talked. I didn't feel nervous. It felt cozy. Like dinner with someone who knows you. Even the messy parts. After dinner, she looked at me and said,
Next time, I cook for you.
Deal, but only if you burn something just a little. She winked.
No promises.
And that was our dinner night. I cleaned, I cooked, I almost broke the kitchen, but I didn't burn the pasta. And best of all, she liked it. So yeah, cooking for Anna was scary, but eating with Anna was kind of perfect.